By Vespa Pilipinas. Yan. So yan, sinusulatan nila ng number. Michael Espiritu from Binondawas. Yan. Ang dala niya is Vespa 50. Sir, naka-ano na ba to? Naka-modify na o stock? Okay. So stock lahat.
49cc na,
49cc. O yan. Very fun to drive yan. Enjoy lang. Ganda oh. Number 77.
Don't forget to claim your transponders. The transponders are available in our first batch. It says here on the schedule. We're going to be
Ang sarap niyan.
the members of Club of the East.
Ayan, kung makikita nyo pala, sabi kanina, ubusin daw yung white lane. Kung makikita nyo dito sa truck, may white lane siya. Ayan, yung white lane na yan, kailangan hindi mo pwedeng i-cross yan. Pag kinross mo yan, hindi pwede. Kailangan ubusin yung white lane. Yun yung pag-exit. Okay, track will open in 2 minutes. So kung sino yung mga nandito, ano na sila? Practice. Want to sawa yun. Kung medyo nahilo na kayo doon sa pag-practice, pwede na kayo mag-pit. Yan, excited na sila oh. So guys, pagka-exit nyo dito, yung unang-una pa lang sa practice, magpapainit muna kayo ng gulong yan. And then
let's do it. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's stop in the New Track Day 2022 right here.
small frame.